to Barangay Salinas, headed by Sir Barangay Captain, our Barangay Captain. And of course, sa mga riders, sa lahat ng nagluto, sa lahat ng tumulong, and syempre sa very pogi kong tagapayong kanina, thank you so much. Andrex Bautista. And yeah, I would just like to say thank you so much. I'm so grateful. This is my first time actually having a homecoming. For the past 2 years that I've been competing for national, this is my very first time experiencing a homecoming. And thank you so much for that, Sir Ricardo. Grabe, very grateful ako sa inyo. And ang sarap ng igado. Sabi ko nga kanina, I would like to speech muna before eating kasi baka mamaya may tinga ako. Anyway, to Sir Hernandez, grabe naman talaga. Sobrang pogi. Siya yung kinakawin kanina, instead ako eh. Sabi na, sino kaya yung pogi nagsasalita doon? Siyempre, nag-iisang Sir Arnel Hernandez. And syempre si Sir Flaviano, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect na ganito pala ka-warm yung welcome dito. Kasi gusto ko din mag-sorry during kay Ate Sabina. Actually, I was not able to, kasi it was supposed to be last Monday, di ba? Pero I was so busy. I went to school to finish my requirements for my upcoming board exam. And then, after that, ang dami nag-chat, sabi sa akin, grabe, di mo pa ba pagbibigyan? This is your first time for your homecoming, tapos this is once in a lifetime experience. Why not give them a chance? Tsaka sponsor naman yan. So sabi ko, oo nga naman. And grabe, syempre I don't like to parang discredit naman yung thoughtfulness ni Sir Ricardo and of course yung effort. Sabi nga ni Ate Sabina, nag-start na daw sila mag-prepare for the parade. Sabi ko, hala, baka bongga yun. So sabi ko, ate, pa-reschedule na lang. I will cancel my ROS sa school today. Kasi supposed to be, I was supposed to go to school for return of service. Kasi na, I already finished my degree. And that is one of the requirements for me to get my TOR. Pero, syempre, Salinas is my home. My very, very home na very welcome ako lagi. Kaya sabi ko, go, pagbigyan ko na sila. Kasi next week, I won't be able to stay here na sa Bambang. Manila na ako for 6 months for my board exam review. So, thank you so much, guys. Kinanayin nyo lang yung pen nga ni Wesley Pakasukit. Very thankful ka niya yung amin. Madigman mabanggit amin nga na ganyo, pero memorize ko na gitiro pa yun. Karkaro din pogi nga Sir Hernandez. Ayan, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of my family, from Western Pacalso, again, nagyaman ang sa ngayon.